Hi, in this short video I will show you a new drag and drop feature that comes with the latest Serum update. So for this you need to update Serum. I got mine updated to 1.301. To check your version, go to menu and click the about button, and this is where you can see your version. So after the new update, right next to the Serum logo you will notice the drag export button. With this function you can export the wave of the last note you play via your MIDI or your keyboard. Okay, so let's go check it out. I'm playing a random note on my keyboard. After having played that note, create an audio channel or open up an existing audio channel. Click the export button and just drag and drop your wave to that channel. You can see the waveforms of the note that you played. You need to warp the wave samples to the project tempo and also check that the warp mode is set to beat. The process to drag and drop is pretty easy. However, it's only the last note that's recorded by Serum. Let's see how. As you can hear, I'm playing a couple of notes here. However, when I drag and drop, it's only the last note that's been recorded by Serum. Here I'm playing a single kick note and I'm exporting the last played note to an audio channel. This feature is useful if you want to record a single bass or a kick note. Serum records the velocity, duration and the pitch of the last note that is played. It's as simple as that. It definitely saves time and CPU memory if you want to record on the go. The recorded files get saved to your preset folder and you can find them here. So I hope you find this new feature useful. And if you like this video, then please show some love. Take care.